Hello, everybody, and welcome to Learn a Trade. My name is Kevin Tate. Glad to be here with you all today. Today, I will be going over Hoshizaki manuals and pocket guides overview. I'm calling this an overview because I have presented a video in the past. If you go back into the playlist on this channel, you should be able to find a video that I done on Hoshizaki cleaning sheets. This these were on the Hoshizaki website, and I did a video presentation how you can get to the site and go on the site and find these cleaning sheets. But today I'm going to try to do more of an overview on these tech guides. Hoshizaki has them on their site. They call them pocket guides, and I'd like to show you what is going on with those. They cover a lot of information as far as the Hoshizaki ice makers are concerned, and they cover all of their models and everything. You'll see as we go along here. But before I get started, I like to shout out all of the channel members. Thank you all for your support. I appreciate you all continuing to support the channel and continuing to participate in with comments and questions and everything. I really appreciate you all. I hope you continue to stay members, and hopefully some of you subscribers will consider becoming a channel member as well, so you can receive the perks that the channel members receive. Uh, One of the best ones that I've been getting some feedback on is a lot of the members are appreciative of having the videos come to them, having access to the videos first and before they go public. And then also some of the higher tier members have access to some perks that are on the website. So if you have a chance, check out the join link, click the join link, and you'll be able to see the tiers and what the perks are for each tier. But again, I'd like to thank all of the channel members. I appreciate you all and thank you for your continued support. So right now we're going to get into the tech guides, the pocket guides that are available on Hoshizaki website. And again, the link will be down below in the description. So be sure to go down in the description and click the links for the pocket guides. And then also I will be going over some basic some videos on basic ice maker cleaning. So that's going to be a good one also for you to click on the link down in the description so you'll be able to check out these videos, especially for those of you who are not too familiar with the ice makers and the process of cleaning them. These videos will help, and then also Hoshizaki has plenty of manuals on their website. So this should be a helpful video for you. And don't forget at the end, go down into the description and click on the link for both of those because I'm going to go over a lot of information that is available on these links. And then that way you'll always have some information that you can get to right away if you're out there in the field. So definitely take advantage of that. And right now, I'm going over the tech guides. Hopefully, you all can see it pretty clear. But as you can see, they have tech guides for um, all of their models that are on um, R12 and R502. Then also they have tech guides or pocket guides for all of their models that are running on R404A. Okay, and these are on the E and earlier H series units. And I'm going to show you those guides just so you can get a brief look at what they're covering as well. Then they have another pocket guide that covers all of the units that are running off of R134A and R404A, all the H series models. Then they have another pocket guide for all of the models that are running off of R22. So they're still putting that up there. So once again, make sure that you go to the into the description, and I'll have those links down there for you, so you can copy those links down. And then right now, just give me a moment. I'm gonna go and show you some of these pocket guides and what they're going over. And so right here we have, this is the pocket guide for the R20, R12 and the R502 models. So this pocket guide covers all R12 and R502 equipment produced by Hoshizaki up to mid 1992. Equipment produced after that uses R22. And if covered in the green, R22 models, Technician's Pocket Guide. Additional copies of these guides are available through your local Hoshizaki distributor. So um, they do have that available. But I'm just going to go through just to kind of show you what they're going over. They are going over the KM models. They're going over installation, remote applications for your remote units. They're going over the system charge, component technical data. Then they're going over the different models, the sequence of operation on the KM model, the component checks, checking out the float switch, the thermistor, control board, the bin control. Then they also have, these manuals are going over the cleaning and sanitation procedures. So this is some valuable information for you if you're a technician out in the field, and hopefully you take advantage and pick up these links that I'm going to put down there, so that they'll be able to it'll be able to help you out. And then right here they got the water and refrigeration circuit reference chart. And then as you can see, they have all of the models running off of that are running off of R502. These are all of their units running off of R502. Okay, and it's really a good some good manuals that they have here with the information. Yeah, I'm just scrolling through just to show you. They got the flaker, and then this is something that was a question that came up from a current subscriber. They weren't too sure on the breakdown of the Hoshizaki model number identification code. Um, a lot, some people don't realize that these are uh, it's not just the number; it's an actual code. So every section means something. So let's go over this just a little bit. So for those of you who may not even know about this, so this is the Hoshizaki model number. All right. So KM 1200 MAB. Okay. And then the KM, that stands for the unit type. That's the unit type. Okay. And what that KM stands for is for crescent cuber. You can see it right here. This is like a little um, flow chart or key letting you know what each letter means. Okay. If it had an F there, it would be a flaker. If it had DCM, it would be a dispenser cubelet maker. DB is a dispenser bin. Okay. B is a bin. DM is a countertop dispenser. Okay. So that would be that those first letters of the model number is the unit type, what type of unit it is. The 1200, that's the production. Okay, that's the production of the of that particular model. The M, that's the unit style. That's the style of the unit. So we had an M. So the M, the D, and A, those all let you know that the unit style is modular. It's a modular unit. If it had an S there, it would be a stackable unit. If it had a B, it would be a self-contained with a bin. Okay, so that hopefully that's clear. And then next we have A. So the A, that's the condenser style. That's what style is of the condenser. Okay, this one has an A. So if it had an A or a U, that would mean that it's an air-cooled condenser. Okay, if it had a W, that would mean it's a water-cooled condenser. If it has a R/S, that's a remote air-cooled condenser. Okay, and then the last letter of the model number is B, and B is for the generation. Okay, um, and then basically it's just the generation of the dispenser. Okay, and then they have a little information down here. The model number, serial number, electrical specifications, and refrigerant data are found on the unit nameplate. Just letting you know that all of that information is on the nameplate. So that's what you're seeing now. Okay, that's where it has the model number be there. Everything pertinent to that unit is on that data plate. And you want to be aware of that information because a lot of times if you're not aware of the information, if you're um, maybe doing an install or about to do an install and a customer needs a certain type um, of unit, it's good to know that that model number code so that you can choose the right style unit for that customer. So that's that one. That's uh, one of the pocket guides, and this one was for the R12 and R502. And this pocket guide is for models that are running off of R134A and R404A, the H models. Okay, so the H models, you have your cuber, your flaker, the DCM dispenser. Okay, and then let me just shoot that Hoshizaki. I want to shoot that Hoshizaki tech support number up there on the screen for you right now. That way you can copy that down and have that available. It's always good to have those tech support numbers So this guide is the same way, set up the same way as far as going through everything. It's going through the remote applications, the installation, the R404 refrigerant system information, the component data, the Cuber sequence of operations, component checks, diagnosing water problems, Cuber water, refrigerant circuit, reference chart, and then it's going through all of the models. So you have them all right there in your pocket, in the pocket guide. So these are, very, very valuable for you to get a hold of. I'm just scrolling back up here and then see if I could switch over to one of the other guides and give you a look at that. And here you go. We got the pocket guide that covers all models using R404A refrigerant. For additional technical information, full parts and service manuals are available for review and download on the tech support page of Hoshizaki website. And then they give the website here, but I'm going to put that link down in the description for you. But these are these pocket guides that you should definitely look into downloading. There's a lot of helpful information in these, especially if you get stuck on a diagnosis or a repair or something like that. They're very handy to have access to. And here's the other pocket guide. This pocket guide covers all models using R22 refrigerant. Okay, you got the tech spec sheets in there. And again, it's the same process. They're going over the installation, remote applications, refrigerant systems, component technical data, reservoir flush system, all of that. So it's like, really good information that is available to you on these sites. So definitely take advantage and click on those links in the description so that you can have this information. This one should be very helpful to you all, especially the people that are new to the industry and you're not that familiar with performing ice maker cleaning and sanitization. This these videos will help you along with getting more proficient with it. And again, this is one of the other links that are going to be in the description. So I just wanted to go over letting you see what how the site is set up and what it looks like and everything. But you got your basic ice maker cleaning, you got your advanced ice maker cleaning, ice storage bin cleaning, mega top and sandwich prep table, prep guards, how to remove, clean, and replace. That should be a good one. Your float switch, video cleaning and testing. They have a Hoshizaki KM 515 and 650 cleaning video here. Hoshizaki how to sanitize the water system in a KM ice machine. And then they have the Hoshizaki DCM 271 Cublet ice and water dispenser. And, those are some of the, videos that they have available. And again, for those of you that are, new to the industry or new to working on these Hoshizaki ice makers, this should be helpful to you. So that's about all I have for now. I just wanted to share this with you all. I hope this will be helpful to you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Um, Click on the join link and check out some of the tiers, the different membership tiers that are available on the site. Um, to all of the channel members, I appreciate you. To the website members, I appreciate you as well. Thank you all for your support, and let me know in comments how you like this video. Take care and stay well, everybody.